So my video guy and I were just talking about marketing, and he said, how would you build an email list of your first 100 subscribers if you were just a total newbie, you didn't want to spend money, you didn't want to do any of that? And so I thought, what better place than the top of a mountain to tell you? It's insanely beautiful out right now, and I'm waiting to get that shot. Just gonna push myself to the point of death. You good? So the reality is, I think that spending money on ads to build an email list is the best way. You build an opt-in page, you have people click on an ad that you're paying for, and they opt in. It's great, it's scalable, you can spend a bunch of money and make a bunch of money, but the reality is most people don't want to start there, and it's actually not the right place for new people to start, because you can end up spending hundreds or thousands of dollars and making nothing. So what I would recommend for almost everybody starting out, and it's actually really fitting because I had a consulting call with the dentist today, and he wants to build an email list and make, almost passive income. And he was like, well, I could help people with like holistic dentistry, with getting like these platelets spinning into their gums, or help people with snoring. And I was like, that's it. What you want to do is focus on solving one problem for people. You're not trying to solve 10 problems. You're not trying to talk about 10 things. Find a problem people have, create a solution to that problem, or just a simple ebook. I was like, just write a simple ebook about how to quit snoring. It'll take you an hour, right? He writes the ebook, he gives away the ebook for free for an opt-in. And what you do to start, this is really the easiest thing you can do, post on your Facebook page, post on your Instagram. If you don't have those, you have 20 followers, doesn't matter, start a Facebook group. So the Facebook group would be called How to Quit Snoring. And then he's like, led by a holistic dentist. And once you get into the group, what happens is you build this group. Your name is really important when it comes to your Facebook group. If I was doing one about email, it'd be Advanced Email Marketing Secrets or Beginner Email Marketing Secrets. If it's about how to grow Facebook groups, that's the name of your group. Keep it really simple and make sure the beginning is easy to understand what the group's for. Because Facebook wants everybody to be on Facebook groups right now. It's the most popular part of their platform. So what you want to do is create a group name where people know the benefit and the reason for being in it, who should be in that group when they're scrolling, because Facebook has this little section called suggested groups. And they will literally send you people for free. Once you get like 100 people into your group, they're gonna keep sending you people for free. And you'll get free people just in the beginning just by posting saying, hey, I've got this group, once you join, I'll give you this free ebook. And what you do is you use this tool. There's this tool called Group Funnels. I'll put a link in the bottom of this video, at the bottom of this video. And you literally put this little software in, and people have to answer 3 questions when they join the group, and you make one of them the email address, and you literally build a list for free just for getting people into your Facebook group. You don't have to post daily content in there, even weekly content or a couple times a week will work, but you use that as your tool to build that list. It's the easiest way to get your first 100 subscribers. Guess what? If you post on your page about how to quit snoring, there's people who cannot stop snoring on that page, and they're gonna join the group, they're gonna get on your list. Now you're building a list for free. And Facebook, like I said, they are literally subsidizing. They'll give you traffic for free. They're gonna pay out of their pocket instead of running ads. They're gonna send people to your group because Facebook has one goal: keep people on Facebook. Groups keep people on Facebook. So if you don't wanna spend a dime on traffic, you don't wanna do any sort of YouTube advertising or pay money, just start a Facebook group that talks about one problem people have or something they're interested in. It could be a group about keto. It could be a group about rock climbing. It could be a group about bicep training, just straight biceps. No bullshit, just biceps. The bicep training group, right? The shoulder boulder group. Talk about one specific problem people have. 6-pack abs, something very specific. Create a group, people will opt in, you'll have 100 subscribers for free. Keep mailing them, keep growing the group. You're gonna have a big list, and it's gonna be pretty easy to make money when you're solving one single problem. If you like this video, hit the little thumbs up, silly button below. And also, if you wanna be more successful, which you do, because you just watched this video for 5 minutes, we hung out for a while, just hit the subscribe button too. You know you wanna just hit the subscribe. Or I don't even know if I'm pointing at the right place, but wherever that might be, wherever the direction is, just subscribe.